Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. My name is Tim. I bring you villages related content. In today's video, I want to show you two different Garnett model patio villas located in the village of Well Point. I want to show you a price comparison, and I think you're going to be surprised at the difference in the price per square foot of each one of these identical patio villas located in the same neighborhood. But first, I want to explain what the Villages is. It is a 55 plus community located in Central Florida. It is the fastest growing community in the nation, according to the 22-23 Metropolitan Statistical Analysis. It's also the safest city in Florida, with an expected crime rate of 930 crimes for every 100,000 people. There are approximately 150,000 people that reside in the Villages. And as I mentioned before, today's video, I want to show you two patio villas, the Garnett model. They are located in Well Point. They are located right here on the map. And if you're interested in any one of these homes today, you will need to contact a Villages sales associate, and I will provide you with a phone number a little bit later in the video. These homes are located in the Tim Villa neighborhood, which is located in the village of Well Point. They are located a little bit south of McNeil Drive. They are located very near the Well Point Recreation Center, which is located right there. And they are located very near the Street of Dreams, which is located right there in the upper right corner of your map. These homes also are located only a 3 or 4 minute car ride from Magnolia Plaza, which is shopping. They do have a Publix grocery store located right here on Warm Springs Avenue. These homes are also located less than a 10-minute golf cart ride from the brand new Eastport Town Square, which is located right here. And for those new to the channel, a town square is where nightly entertainment happens, live bands, you have restaurants, you'll have retail stores, and it is one of the main reasons people want to buy homes in the Villages is for the nightly entertainment. Let's take a look at these Garnett models. You will be surprised at some of the pricing that I discovered on these homes. I want to show you a Garnett model located right here in the Tim Villas. List price $295,178. And then I'm going to show you and compare it to another Garnett model that's located right here. Let's take a look at the first model. Let's take a look at the series detail on this home. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,270 square feet. List price $295,178. This is the phone number you will need to call if you're interested in contacting a Villages sales associate. Let's take a look at the series details. Patio villas are a little bit smaller home. They come in 1, 2, and 3 bedroom floor plans. Let's take a look at the home features. It has quartz countertops. It is on a corner site, and I think that is what's driving the price to be a little bit higher. 1-car garage plus a golf cart garage. It has an open kitchen and composite plank flooring. Let's take a look inside this home. Let's take a look at the pictures. You can see the 1-car garage with a golf cart garage. That is a lanai in the back of the home, composite plank flooring. Just to give you an idea of what the floor plan looks like, you do have a glass entry door as well. This is your entering the hallway area and the foyer area. Now you're looking backward at the foyer. All of these homes do come with composite plank flooring standard. These are waterproof floors. This is looking out to the back of the home, sliding patio doors, and your lanai in the back of the home. This is one of the very few model patio villa homes that has a lanai in the back of the home. That's why I'm featuring this home. And I wanted to compare this home to another home in the neighborhood. Here's your white quartz countertops. It has a U-shaped kitchen. It has stainless appliances, natural gas stove in this home as well. I will show you the floor plan a little bit later in the video right after these pictures. Very large kitchen, lots of cabinet space in this home. You will see that it does have carpeting in the bedroom on this home as well. That is a staged photo of your primary bedroom. Has a primary suite as well. 2 sinks with a quartz countertop. It has tile floors in that home. There's your walk-in closet. That's a guest bedroom with carpeted floors. That is a guest bathroom. It has tile floors, quartz countertop. It has a window to let light in as well. This is one of the more popular model patio villas. It does have a natural gas hookup for your dryer. And I was informed recently that if you want to put an electric dryer in, you would have to put your own 220 wiring system in place. This is your garage, 1-car garage, and your lanai in the back of the home. Very nice lanai. That's what is attractive about this Garnett model as well. It has a hip roof to deflect the winds from hurricanes and tropical storms. It is found on a corner lot, and that's why the price is what it is. I wanted to bring you the floor plan as well. Let's take a look at the floor plan. You enter the front of the home. You can enter and go into the golf cart garage or the home. Right off to the left, you do have your laundry space. It looks like you have a sink in your laundry area and a guest bathroom. Off to the left, you do have a U-shaped kitchen as well. Off to the right, you have a guest bedroom. It is a 2-bedroom home. And then you have a dining and living space and a very nice lanai in the back of the home. Primary suite in the back of the home as well. It has a sliding pocket door leading into the bathroom area, 2 sinks. So that is your floor plan. The price of the home, $295,000, $178,000. It is on a corner lot, and it is located in Unit 186V. And I wanted to bring you the bond information. The bond amount is $27,300. And for those new to the channel, the bond is the infrastructure costs that the developer passes on to the home buyer. The home buyer has the option to pay that infrastructure cost off all at once or over 30 years' time. Over 30 years' time, your payment would be $1,811 or so. There is a 4.72% interest rate on the bond. I wanted to bring you the square footage cost of this home. It is $254 per square foot. If you include the bond amount on this home, the total price of the home, including the bond, would be $322,568. Next, I want to bring you another home identical to this home. It is located in the Tim Villa neighborhood. The back of the home does face north. Let's take a look at this home. It is the same Garnett model, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,270 square feet. It has a list price of $282,616. And if you look at the pictures of this home, you can see very similar home, composite plank flooring. It is identical. But the price is a lot lower because it is located on an interior lot. It does have the lanai in the back of the home, white quartz countertop, stainless appliances, natural gas stove, same as the previous home, carpet in the bedrooms. Color scheme is slightly different than the other home. This one has more of a gray interior and decoration, quartz countertops in that primary bathroom as well. So you can see they are the very same home, but they are priced much differently. $282,616 with the bond, and the bond amount is $27,300. The total price of this home would be $310,006, and the price per square foot, $244 per square foot. So you can see that you have 2 identical homes in the same neighborhood with the same bond amounts, and they have much different prices per square foot. You have $254 a square foot versus $244 per square foot. So my question to you, my subscribers, are, Is this home a better value at $282,616? Or is the home on a corner lot a better value at $295,178? You're looking at $254 per square foot versus $244 per square foot. That is my question to you. Which home do you buy? Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Feel free to forward the videos to anybody you feel is interested in this content. Have a great day. Have a great week. Stay safe, everyone. Take care.